Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are dedicated to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how modern businesses manage thousands of computers, store massive amounts of data, run websites, host applications, and keep everything operating smoothly? Behind all of these systems is a powerful technology known as system administration. System administration is the process of installing, configuring, maintaining, securing, and managing computer systems, servers, and networks to ensure they operate efficiently and reliably. System administrators are the professionals who keep an organization's technology running every day. One of the biggest benefits of system administration is reliability. A well-managed system ensures that employees can work without interruptions, customers can access online services, and businesses can continue operating smoothly. Another important benefit is security. System administrators protect computers and servers from malware, unauthorized access, data loss, and cyber attacks. They install security updates, monitor system performance, and implement backup strategies to keep valuable information safe. System administration also improves productivity. When systems are properly maintained, employees experience fewer technical problems, allowing them to focus on their work instead of dealing with computer issues. Another major advantage is business continuity. If hardware fails or unexpected problems occur, system administrators can restore services quickly, reducing downtime and minimizing financial losses. Today, every organization depends on system administrators. Banks, hospitals, universities, government agencies, technology companies, manufacturing firms, and small businesses all need skilled professionals to manage their IT infrastructure. As digital transformation continues around the world, the demand for system administrators remains strong. It is an excellent career path for anyone interested in servers, networking, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and enterprise technology. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical system administration training that gives learners hands-on experience with modern operating systems, servers, user management, networking, security, virtualization, backups, and troubleshooting. Our practical approach prepares you to solve real-world IT challenges with confidence. Our mission goes beyond teaching technology. We want to help you become self-reliant. The skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure employment as a system administrator, IT support specialist, infrastructure engineer, or cloud administrator. You can also work remotely, provide IT support services to businesses, start your own technology consulting company, or manage IT infrastructure for multiple organizations. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. Technology continues to evolve, but one thing remains constant. Every successful organization needs reliable computer systems. By learning system administration today, you're investing in a skill that will remain valuable for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit FRELOTEX.com. Thank you for watching. And remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach technology. We equip you with practical skills that help you solve real-world problems, build a rewarding career, create successful businesses, and achieve lasting financial freedom.